Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that's making waves in the 3D printing community, the Creality Hyper PLA Filament in purple. We found this awesome filament online, and we've included a link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Creality Hyper PLA? This is a high-speed 3D printer filament designed for those who want to push their printing capabilities to the next level. With a diameter of 1.75 mm, this filament is engineered to deliver exceptional performance, especially for users who are eager to explore high-speed printing without sacrificing quality. Let's talk about some of the standout features of this filament. First off, it boasts an impressive printing speed of up to 300 mm per second. Yes, you heard that right. This high-speed capability allows for rapid production while maintaining a high level of print detail. It adapts seamlessly between high-speed and normal-speed printing, ensuring that you can achieve those intricate details on your models without any hiccups. Next is the dimensional accuracy. The Hyper PLA has a remarkable precision level of plus or minus 0.03 mm. This means that if you're working on detailed or complex designs, you can trust that this filament will deliver the accuracy you need. Whether you're creating small figurines or larger functional parts, the precision of this filament can help enhance the quality of your finished products. Another impressive feature is its toughness. Creality has designed this filament to be stronger and more resilient than traditional PLA. In fact, it has a higher tensile strength than ABS, making it less likely to break or warp during and after printing. This is particularly beneficial for models that require structural integrity, giving you peace of mind that your prints will stand the test of time. Additionally, the Hyper PLA is formulated for high fluidity and fast cooling. This means it melts and extrudes smoothly, which is critical for high-speed printing. The quick cooling feature helps with rapid solidification, ensuring that your prints maintain their shape and detail, even at high speeds. Now, who is this filament suitable for? The Creality Hyper PLA is perfect for hobbyists, professionals, and anyone in between who uses 3D printers. It's compatible with a wide range of machines, including popular models like the Creality K1 and K1 Max, Ender 5S1, and many others from brands like Anycubic, Elegoo, Bamboo, and more. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this filament is designed to meet your printing needs. In practical use cases, you can expect this filament to shine in creating prototypes, functional parts, or intricate designs that require both speed and accuracy. It's an excellent choice for makers who value efficiency and quality in their 3D printing projects. So, if you're looking to enhance your 3D printing experience with a dependable and high-performance filament, the Creality Hyper PLA in purple might just be what you need. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.